with a sincere heart, be a high-quality enterprise, practical, pure-heartedness, and attentive are the criteria for our survival. Located in Mexico, Irapuato, Apollo Cells is a new company founded in August 2019. This is a company worthy of your attention. We know that the competition in the new energy photovoltaic industry is increasing, but with fearless strength and courage will be our confidence to move forward. Apollo Cells mainly provides high-efficiency and high-quality solar cells. Cells are generally divided into monocrystalline silicon, polycrystalline silicon, and amorphous silicon. Monocrystalline silicon solar cells are currently the fastest developed. Solar cells, its structure and production process have been finalized, and the products have been widely used in space and on the ground. Committed to being the best cell supplier, Apollo Cells has excellent production equipment, complete facilities, and complete product testing capabilities. It is already a qualified solar cell manufacturer. Although Apollo Cells is not mature compared to large companies with many years of experience, but we strive to make the most adequate preparations to gain everyone's trust. Careful and meticulous is the basic attitude of every Apollo Cells employee towards work. Efficient and attentive is the strict requirement of every employee for themselves. Patient inspection is the responsibility of every employee for products. Neat and a spacious office environment makes arrangement and management in order. The vigorous production team makes manufacturing and research development happy and interesting. Starting from the heart, we believe that as long as we work hard, there will be real rewards, and there will be some difficulties in the future. But as long as we are united and face difficulties, all the hard work will be the best gift. Pursue excellence, produce high-quality cells, accelerate the development of the sustainable clean energy industry represented by solar photovoltaics, and make a modest contribution to a safe and efficient energy system. Apollo Cells has forged ahead here.